Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Today we will be doing an unboxing video. It's going to go on my gaming channel because it's about gaming. So yeah, let me just switch you around like so. It's under the my camera case. What the fuck? Yeah, let's remove that. It's a big one, so it'll be a while to open it. And I'm gonna try and get a good angle on it. So see you first shortly. Alright guys, we're basically unboxing it now. Yeah, it wants to get unboxed. There we are. Yeah. Oh, the reason why I've done that, guys, is so you don't know where I live or anything else. Here's some presents for you guys. Is this the pedals or the actual thing? I think it's the actual thing, guys and girls. Let's not assume the gender before everyone kicks off. Yeah, it's the actual thing. Some more presents. And here's a box where you can ship someone in. I'm shipping my mum out.
Oh no!
Right. So that's what it is. An x56 hotas logitech joystick for DCS Worlds. I enjoy doing that. Don't judge. It's a good game.
Go!
Oh, by the way, guys, don't hold it like that.
Nope.
Not like I am doing. I'm just an idiot doing it.
Say what?
Don't mind me. No one knows I'm an idiot doing this.
Shots fired! Shots fired!
There we go. Your instructions. I don't need it. Shit.
Oh shit, not good.
Oh my god, I'm sorry, Mum. What happened then, guys? I just thrown it and it hit my mum's face. So, sorry, Mum. That's the actual stick itself. Oh, that's the wrist thing. And to be honest, it feels really. To be honest, buttons are stiff, but that's gonna always be happening because it's a brand new one, I'm assuming. But that's what it is. I am saving up for a extension for this part, so I don't have to have it on my desk. I can have it in the middle of my legs at my height, my liking height, like an actual helicopter type. And my mum's just giving me that look like, why are you saving up for that? I'll show you that in a sec. Let's just, I wonder what these are. Probably these springs. I don't know. Now we're just going to whack it over mum's head. Not. this is the actual main part of the base for the joystick. Sample, I don't know if it's going that way or that way. We'll find. Oh yes, it goes that way. No wait. Does it go that way? No, it goes that way. And then just screws on, I guess. But we're gonna do that very short. Well, shortly. Sorry for the big picture on this. Actually, do me a favour, Mum. Pass me that top brown thing, if you don't mind.
I should whack it to him and hit him in the face.
Do it!
It's still stinging.
Where did it hit you?
My eyebrow.
Well, we don't need this box anymore.
Hopefully. It's working alright.
Well, they won't mind if it's a knife in the hole top.
Attention! My hand is giving way.
Just use your hand.
Yeah, it's me a dodgy. My both hands are dodgy.
Go!
This is the actual throttle. That's what it's actual called. The throttle. And it feels very stiff. But if you look to the left, put that on. To the left, it has a knob. That's what it's the correct term of the stuff, and it's a
Down.
stiffness.
Oh
for
fuck! I
this.
can't believe you've done this.
No, God!
As you can see,
God,
but
please,
it's still
no,
very
no,
stiff because I'm assuming it's a very new
no!
model. Well, new model. It has buttons on the bottom. And I said something, what my mum's took something rude. That's the correct terms, Mum. These stuff like that are like actually called knobs.
That's what you said after, Bob.
And the correct term for thingy is actually stiff.
Boss!
Fine, but you said knob and then it was stiff, so I just...
No, God, please,
There's
no! No!
multiple buttons what I can actually use with the DCS World. As you can tell, see in the background, I'm currently editing a video what I just did, say about 30 minutes ago. So yeah, this is what I use, Phasmophobia 9. But yeah, let's get back to the product. You got buttons on buttons with buttons, as you can see. Got twisty button, knob, down, whatever you want to call it. Got
Switches.
switch up, switch down, switch up, switch down. You get the point.
Okay.
Turn knobs.
You suck!
You got more buttons on the side of the throttle. It looks like this can, if I can work this out without the manual. I don't care about manuals. What? Too neat there, yeah? Got it. Now you can move one by itself, like sample.
I'll do that again, I didn't get it.
That is a lock to prevent both one of them moving.
Well, I doing it.
Alright. And then if I do that, one only can move and the other one can move.
Right, okay.
You got buttons here. Got another twisty knob. another twisty knob. So obviously put it on. Come a bit closer, my way. Alright. And then I don't think you can. You twist it until it's tight enough, not too tight because you don't want to break it. Especially how much I cough up for this, and it's very not actually. It's very slack. All this was, well, buy these two on its own would be costing you at least between 100 and 200 quid. I got this with the pedals, so it cost me roughly around about nearly enough 400 quid. Hey guys, yes, that is right. I've got glasses on. I'm still waiting on the pedals. It is currently 10 minutes past 3. The email said it'd be between 2 PM to 10 PM. So I'm really hoping it comes before 10 PM though, because I've got work tomorrow. I meant to do Friday and Saturdays, but I'm going to my sister's tomorrow on Friday. So, anyways, I'll show you the what the joystick looks like when it's plugged in and all that stuff. So, give me a sec. I'll be right back. Right, that's what I'm gonna be using this for my throttle. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Let me turn this light off so you can see the LEDs. Actual lights up. There's the joystick. I was told to use the smaller, softer spring, so I did that. And you know what? It's actually feeling nice. Not just that, it's very sensitive. So, for example, if I just do that, it will actually move in the game. This box was just like that. Look at the state of it though. Like, look. I'm not saying the female delivery person did this. I'm not gonna say that. I'm not pointing fingers. But it's just shouldn't come like this.
It's at the bottom of the box as well.
And it's the bottom, as you can tell, with the writing upside down. So whatever happened, it happened. I'm not gonna make it a big fuss. I'm gonna ask my mum to leave a review on the product by searching the name up. Well, she doesn't really need to. And leave a feedback on it.
Boring!
But yeah, I was expecting it to be really, really smaller. And I was correct, guys. It is a USB. And luckily enough, I don't need extra USB thing slots. See that button? It says push. You can just push it in, and it moves up and down for your feet liking. Oh, feet length. But other than the way it came, I can say that I am interested on how these actually work. Because I've been told that when you push these forward and backwards, I don't know if I didn't get mentioned about that, that the heli waters will prevent it spinning. But other than that, apart from the packaging, delivery, I'm actually impressed. Let's turn that off. A great thank you to my mum for doing the camera work and being patient with my annoying arms. Anyways, no injury. Oh yeah, no injury this time. So, anyways, hope you enjoyed. Are you gonna want to do it?
Adios, muchachos!
No. Leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.